Everyone thinks the best-selling Benchtop drill press is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, WN 2.3 amp drill press. The WN 2.3 amp 8-inch 5-speed cast iron benchtop drill press caught my attention with its solid build and affordable price of just $104. With a 4.6-star rating from 785 reviews, this drill press seems to promise reliability for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. If you want a dependable tool without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The WN features a 2.3A induction motor that powers through a variety of materials with ease. You can adjust the speed across 5 settings from 750 to 3,200 revolutions per minute, which means you can tackle different projects without worrying about overheating or damaging your materials. The 6.5 by 6.5-inch work table even tilts up to 45 degrees, allowing for angled drilling, perfect for those intricate projects. Plus, it has a respectable drilling capacity of 0.5 inches in metal, making it suitable for various tasks around the workshop. Now, some people complained about the assembly instructions being a bit confusing. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the diagrams closely, you'll find it's not too complicated. If you're a complete beginner, just keep that in mind as you set it up. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist looking for an affordable and reliable drill press. Skip this one if you need something with higher drilling capacity for heavy-duty projects. At $104, it offers great value for your money. Now, if the one's assembly instructions worry you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Precision Mini Drill Press. The Precision Mini Drill Press by Novel Life is a compact, yet powerful option priced at just $79.99. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 281 reviews, it's a great choice for those with limited workspace. If you want something small but effective, this is definitely worth considering. What makes this drill press stand out is its upgraded structure. It includes a robust metal design that minimizes vibration, ensuring accurate drilling every time. The 795 DC motor can reach speeds up to 7,000 revolutions per minute, which is impressive for such a compact size. Plus, the adjustable height and voltage add versatility, making it suitable for various soft materials like wood and plastic. You even get a mini flat table vise, which is a nice touch for holding your workpiece steady. Now, some users found the lack of a robust base a bit concerning. Here's the thing. If you're only planning to use it for small projects, the compact nature is actually a plus. But if you're looking to drill larger materials, that might be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment or have limited space for tools. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle heavy-duty tasks. For $79.99, it's a great entry point into the world of drill presses. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, SKIL 6.2 amp drill press. Next up is the SKIL 6.2 amp 10 inches 5-speed drill press, priced at $199. With a 4.3-star rating from 519 reviews, this one seems to offer more power and features. If you're after a drill press that can handle a variety of materials, this one's worth checking out. What's great about the SKIL is its powerful 6.2A induction motor, which allows you to drill through wood, metal, and other materials with ease. The 5-speed system lets you switch from 610 to 2,800 revolutions per minute, catering to different materials and tasks. It also features a laser alignment system for precision drilling and an adjustable depth stop for accurate depth control. Plus, with an LED work light, you won't miss a detail in your workspace. However, some users mentioned that the laser alignment can be a bit finicky to adjust. Here's my take. Once you get it set up correctly, it can be a game changer for accuracy, but it may take a little trial and error. This is perfect for you if you need a more powerful drill press for a range of projects. Skip this one if you're only doing light hobby work. At $199, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about woodworking or metalworking. Now, If you're looking for something even more powerful, the next option might just blow you away. Product number 4, Vever 8 in Drill Press. The Vever 8 in Benchtop Drill Press comes in at $101.90 and boasts a 4.5-star rating from 148 reviews. What really caught my eye is its balance of features and affordability. If you want a drill press that offers great performance without costing a fortune, this could be the one. This drill press is powered by a 2.5A induction motor, ensuring it delivers consistent performance even during prolonged use. The variable speed control allows you to switch between 5 settings from 750 to 3,200 revolutions per minute, making it suitable for a variety of materials. The integrated LED work light is a fantastic addition, providing clear visibility, especially in dim lighting. Plus, the adjustable work table that tilts up to 45 degrees offers flexibility for angled drilling tasks. One downside is that some users found the assembly to be a bit tricky. Honestly, while it's not the easiest setup, taking your time will make it manageable and rewarding when you see the results. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable tool for diverse projects. Skip this one if you want the absolute highest power available. For $101.90, it's a great option that balances cost and capability. Finally, if you're after the absolute best in terms of features and power, you'll want to hear about this last amazing option. Product number 5, Bucktool 12-inch Drill Press. Last but not least, we have the Bucktool 12-inch Benchtop Drill Press, priced at $301.29. This one holds a 4.6-star rating from 194 reviews, indicating it's well-received. If you're looking for a professional-grade drill press, this is definitely worth your consideration. The Bucktool features a powerful 6.2A motor, which ensures you can drill through a wide range of materials without losing momentum. With speeds from 580 to 3,200 revolutions per minute and a digital speed readout, you can precisely control your drilling environment. This drill press also includes a 360 degrees adjustable work table and a Class I laser for accurate drilling, making it highly versatile. The cast iron base enhances stability, reducing vibrations for more precise results over time. However, some users have mentioned that it's a bit heavier than expected, which can make moving it around a hassle. Here's my perspective. If you need stability and precision, that weight actually contributes to its reliability during use. This is perfect for you if you're a serious woodworker or metalworker looking for a top-tier tool. Skip this one if you're just starting out or need something lightweight. For $301.29, it's a solid investment for quality and durability. So, to quickly recap, the WN offers great value for beginners. The Precision Mini Drill Press excels in small spaces. The SKIL provides extra power and features. The Vever balances performance and affordability, and the Bucktool stands out for professionals with its robust design. Each has its unique strengths. So think about what you really need in a drill press before making your choice.